Welcome to another videos from Austin Studios. In today's video, I'm gonna review John Lobb Dune Calf deck shoes ARIMA. People say that this is the world highest grade deck shoes. The original price I found on a website was around $1,400. It is way expensive to be honest. This model has been discontinued and replaced two other models, so I've got this shoes in outlet price. As of now, they still make deck shoes in Dune Calf. However, this model has some unique design which isn't taken over to their latest model and hardly ever seen in the market. First, it doesn't have interlace on color which most deck shoes has. And second, the shoe is constructed in Mach 2, but the part of vamp is stitched underneath part of 2. These features are quite rare in the market. The last 6000 is a steep-walled loafer last with a wide and round tee. Well-crafted Goodyear welded construction, while most deck shoes in the market are cemented construction. The rubber sole has proper herringbone pattern grooves, fine skin and artistic stitch work. The name Dune Calf is coined by John Lobb. There are some of unique features that are thin, soft, and a matte finish. So the Dune Calf can be applied waterproof spray because of matte finish, while other smooth leather upper will be dull its natural shine by waterproof coating. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Make sure to check out my other videos as well. See you next time.